Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change color of your logo using Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. It will lead you to a home page of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner, you can see this create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now here on the left side, you can see these different logo options here. Choose the template according to your preference. Now after that, if you want to change the color of the logo, if you click on this logo here, you can see these different color options on the top. Simply click on it and here you can see different colors. From here, you can choose your preferred color and change the color of your logo. Here, following the simple and easy step, you have successfully changed the color of your logo. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.